Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to do a reverse canvas. So on the back of your canvas, you'll see it has these staples. You can use a pair of pliers to remove those. I'm just going to do the easiest way, which is just take an X-Acto knife across the top above the stitches and cut that canvas right out. Now I will fast forward this so it's a little quicker so you don't have to sit through it, but I'm going to do all 4 sides. And once you have all 4 sides out, you'll remove the frame. And you'll either want to paint this or stain it, or you can just let it be as is. You can also take these staples out on the back end while you're letting it dry or whatever, but you want to make sure you flip it this way and take your tape measure and measure the inside, because now you're changing the shape of it so you don't have the same amount of room to work with. So I have my HTV all cut out. I did want to show you guys a little tip. Grab you some Crayola chalk or any chalk, it doesn't really matter, I just prefer Crayola. And on the back side where you're going to weed, just rub that chalk across the back of it and it'll show you the weeding lines so that it's easier to weed. HTV is known for being a little difficult, but you can kind of see it there in the image. I can see where all the letters and the innards and everything is, so it'll make it a little easier for me to go ahead and weed that. And everything is weeded. You don't have to worry about that chalk on the back. It's not really going to do anything. Then you'll just take the canvas that you cut out, fit it as you want it in there. You can take the frame and just make sure everything fits and it's all lined up properly and move it as you see fit. Once we do that, we'll head over to the heat press. So I'm going to press this 2 times. The first time I'm going to press it on my heat pressed pillow without a Teflon sheet. I have my press set at 315 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will press this for 30 seconds. I'm going to remove the carrier sheet and the pressing pillow, put my Teflon sheet over it, and then press again for another 30 seconds. So there it is, all pressed on. We're going to grab our wood frame that we painted white. We're just going to line that up and flip it over as best as we can. You have a couple options. You can use thumbtacks. I'm going to use just my at-home stapler. You want to kind of pull that edge taut. And I'm going to do each side by placing 1 staple in the middle. Once I have a staple in the middle of each side, I go ahead and do each other side of it, if that makes sense, so there's 3 staples across each side to make sure that that canvas is pulled nice and taut. Once you have that all stapled down, you need to get rid of this excess canvas. I just take a pair of crafting scissors and I just cut right around the edge of that. Sorry, I was really bad about getting the angle here. Cutting it was a little weird to try to get it so that you guys could see. And here is the finished project. I hope that you guys did enjoy that and you find this tutorial as easy as I tried to make it for you. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I do try to answer those right away. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time, guys, happy crafting!